This is Sea Orchid, and we are here in Oslo, baby! Let's travel and visit these beautiful places. However, these are not the only things we want to explore. We want to experience the total package. To become an Oslo boys! By discovering the smallest sea creature up to the jumbo size and eat fresh seafood. But that's not all. We uncovered the hidden gems that nobody explored.
Are you sure about that?
Trust me, I'm an engineer. Early morning, this is what we first found. You know what's this? Ah. Somehow, I keep finding sea cucumbers. It feels like it's attracted to me.
Yeah, boy.
This is the sperm. My goal is to find the sea creature as quickly as possible and then eat it fresh. Very small sea urchin. It's not good to eat. It's too small. This creature reminds me of the movie Matrix. There's a baby Briton star. While I was amazed by this baby creature, the next thing I found was unexpected. Oh, look at that. I found something. Looks like a centipede. I really have no idea what's this. So guys, let me know. We are running out of time because we already booked to see the whale shark, so we cannot cancel it.
Hi, we're going to Butandi.
We're going to see the whale shark. We are ready, and also my senior citizen family are ready. Seeing the whale shark. Go to the next destination. We found a shortcut recommended by Google, and this is what we got.
We are stuck. Our car decided to do some snowboarding.
And this is my mom. It's not her real hair.
We are stuck.
Because it's so muddy.
We have to walk.
Now it's my turn to do something crazy. Maybe it's in our blood. Natagak! Napay kabaw naka-witness! What an epic fail! We didn't know what to do next. We couldn't stop laughing about it.
What happened to your hair?
It's all fun and games for now, but we are really still far away. This is not a good road.
No! No!
I think better we don't go here. While we are lost, my auntie is busy stealing plants. Hey, we're a bit lost. So the solution is to follow the guide. I will show you our tour guide. That is our tour guide, the red truck. Hey Franco, we're lost. We are still in luck. Some local people are willing to help us. And we finally made it. Field trip for senior. It's just a 10-minute walk and there it is. The Inambakan Waterfalls. Look at those mini pools. The water is so crystal clear from above. Inambakan Beach. Oh. Inambakan Waterfalls.
A few minutes later.
Dad, naunsa man ka? Sus. The senior citizens are now well behaved and tired, ready to go back to the hotel. Gana guni mo followers? Ask a whisperer.
Oh yes, Daddy.
It's time to go back and have a bit of rest, but we still have a bit of energy to explore the seashore. It's my first time to see an eel in the wild. I have no idea how to catch it. I'm just using my hands, hoping it won't bite me. Let's find another kraken!
Oh my God!
There it is. Now I'm scared. I don't want to touch it.
This is our dinner. Don't lose our dinner.
Oh my!
Whoa.
Why so many?
In the same place. Wow.
It's getting dark and I smell food nearby. We are super hungry. We will continue exploring tomorrow, our last day. Finding a good sized seafood is so hard. It's already our third attempt, but we will not give up. Oh, there's egg. Another sea creature. It's like in the horror movie. This is a big size sea urchin.
Finally!
This should be perfect for us. Go and check. remove first the spikes.
There it is.
Need to wash this. You see this yellow? This is the tasty part.
Hey, congratulations!
So fresh. You want to try?
Yes!
Eat.
Smash fishy.
At last, we did it. Definitely, we are now Oslo, Oslo boys, Oslo boys, Oslo boys. Now we need a proper meal. It's been a long time I tried the kinilaw.
What are you eating, Ray?
Kinilaw. Pero
How is it?
tastes like. Our holiday is supposed to end now. We saw this interesting road in the map. So maybe just explore for a bit. Look at the view, guys. We're at the top of the mountain, Oslob. You cannot miss this. Definitely, it's worth it to see the panoramic view of Oslob. If you want to come back again, you are always